Yeah.
And the community are very welcoming and nice. That's why
Yeah, and I love the community because like from someone who is from like a non-tech background, this is like my introduction to tech, and I don't have to feel like I'm a foreign alien.
we actually united from PyLadies.
Yes.
So I really believe that increasing diversity in tech, especially in this day and age, right, there's a lot more females who are interested in coding, in development. So I believe this creates a space for us to have a group of people who are different places of learning, or even if they're looking to come in from a different non-tech background. So this is a good place to meet everyone, and the community is very vibrant, everyone is very enthusiastic, and yeah, so definitely I believe it's an amazing community that you should definitely join.
So like for me, I have totally no experience in coding, but I found the tutorials are really clear and helpful. When I look through it, I know how to do all the steps and all the coding. Yeah.